What's up, agents? It's Chase and J Miles, and I figured it would be a good idea for me to do an office tour because I've never really done one of those. And so I'm gonna give you a tour of my offices and let y'all kind of see some stuff. So you probably have seen this in my videos, but this is my little hub. I don't need a lot of space, but it gets the job done. So this is my office. So this is my whole computer setup here. Right now I was just looking over some numbers and everything. Got my iPad, which I use for like communication. So I use Slack with my team, and that's how we communicate with everything. So that's there. 2 screens when I need it on my desk. I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm literally one of those people with sticky notes and stuff. So these will all be clear by the end of the day. But as I'm thinking of things, I put sticky notes on there and just put them to my computer. These are my call lists. So George, and I'll show y'all his office, he delivers these to me twice a day of people who have called for phone calls that I need to return. So that's these, and then I have one pad here for me if anybody calls and I need to call them back. What else is on my desk? Oh, the call list. So every day during my power hour, today is hot and old leads day. So he delivers this to me of people who I need to call during my power hour. Oh, let me tell you about this painting. So this was sent to me from Art of Hustle. So they're at artofhustle.com. And I love this because, I don't know, it keeps me motivated. And there's the Dallas skyline. They did it for me, showing me Dallas. And since that's where I am, why not? What do I have going on over here? Yeah, I have all these things that I need to be putting on the wall. So this is a certificate. I have trophies. I have other stuff. And just recently, it's featured in Forbes this month, actually. So the month of March. They sent me a copy, and it's in plastic and everything with this nice band. So I'm gonna end up getting this cut and put into a frame and put on the wall. All that stuff is gonna go on this wall. And I have stuff at home that I need to put up as well. Like my first book right there, More Than 4 Walls. That's gonna go on the wall. It's already matted and stuff. This is my cabinet with all kinds of stuff going on, but you can see my second book, Real Before the Estate. It's right there, and I have all kinds of binders, and it's my filing cabinet with, it's a complete mess, so I'm not even gonna stress y'all out about that. But hold on one second. This is Chasen. Okay, yeah, he'll just have to hang out for a little bit. I think his appointment isn't until for like 12:30, so. Okay, all right, thanks. Bye. All right, sorry about that. So I'm going to show y'all the other offices. Oh, this is my little think board right here. Right now it's blank, but sometimes I get in the zone where I just want to like get some stuff and just write it down and plan it out and stuff like that. So I sometimes plan out my videos on this and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna show you the other offices. So go ahead and come with me. So walking down the hall here, this is our conference room where we tend to have like our big meetings and trainings at. So y'all can see that they're in the think tank right now. So they're doing a training. We won't disturb them though. So while they're in there, I'm gonna show you. I didn't come in here and clean up or anything, but come on in. There is workstations in here, and everybody has boards for everything. These are some of the codes that we use in our CRM. So DNC or SE or CBS, and that just shows you what they mean and all that. Right here are our values, and then back here are our goals for the year and everything like that. There's all kinds of stuff going on in here that I really don't even know what they are, but scripts. And I'm gonna go and take you to George's office right now. All right, we got a little construction going on, a little build out, so don't mind that. Watch your step. So this is George's office. So George does a lot of the stuff behind the scenes, operations wise, and running the team, make sure everything's going smoothly, things like that. So he has his whole setup, and again, I don't know what some of this is, but look at Oh, I didn't show the business cards in my office. I did have business cards out, but yeah. And he has a filing cabinet and pretty much everything that I have as well. But his is probably a lot more organized and all that kind of stuff. We have more signs here and sign writers, and Brendan, one of our other guys, sits here. And yeah, so he has his whole operation and everything. I'm gonna show y'all one other part that we commonly use. Well, let's just actually go say hey to everybody right quick. I don't mean to disturb y'all. Sorry. I just want y'all to say hi.
Hey,
I just want y'all to say hi to all my. Yeah. Oh, show your shirt. Show your shirt.
Show my shirt.
That's our shirt. This is
real. Founders Real Estate.
Link down below. No.
Hey, link down below. There you
I'm
go.
gonna grab mine.
All right. Back to work. Sorry. Okay. And then over here, this is our like lounge area and stuff like that. So kitchen, and this is the collab room. So whenever pretty much there's just like a small meeting, or I commonly do interviews in here, and we have the whole TV setup and all that good stuff. And then little small meetings. Here, I'll show you this. You can kind of see the skyline, well, part of the skyline from here. And yeah, just a nice little area, and I'm like, look at me. but you see over there in the kitchen, there's, what's up, Brittany? There's coffee, there's microwave, all that good stuff. So Brittany just got here. So the guy is already downstairs. I think y'all are gonna be in that room over there. So whenever.
Right here, yeah, I saw him on the 3rd floor. Just grab it. No, I was
okay. Okay.
You have to grab it, then we go though.
Did you get those? Did you get those questions?
Yeah, George.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Let me know how it goes.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank y'all for coming with me, getting a chance to see my office, and be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Till next time, I'm Chasing J Miles, and I'll see you soon.
KD24, no sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.